Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome with a new video. So this is the self-given analysis of SBI Clerk Prelims 2025. So mine was today, that is 21st September, first shift. So let's get started. So as we all familiar with the sequence, that is English, quants and reasoning. So I don't remember whether these answers are from closed test or RC, but I remember these options. That's why I have mentioned here. One was, I think, I don't know, it was whether take up or took, but the options were like registered up, take up, like that. I mean, it was talking about the codes. Okay, then one I got as lying, then was thought along, and begin. They asked the opposite word for this, that is ceases, and this one I didn't mark because the time was up at that time. Then one was like nurture and another was inside. So do let me know in the comment section if you remember any other words other than this. Okay. So next, the error detection questions. There were 5 questions, and one I remember was they decides. So there was error in this part. They decided, I think. Remaining 4 questions were also easy. Okay, and one was like we have to use this one word in multiple sentence, so I didn't mark this, but I guess the answer for that was A and C, because one was talking about like scaling the mountain and another was talking about walking down the stairs, but there the usage of this word was not correct, so that's why I felt the answer was A and C, but still I didn't mark it. Then there were 8 to 9 questions in the RC, and parajumble was easy, like one liners, one sentence. So I think 3 to 4 questions were there. And coming to the other section, that is word swap, one I got as BCA. So remaining 2 questions I don't remember now. So overall, the paper was easy in English section. Okay, and one more option was there. It was like um, wait, um, like it was talking about the workshop. I don't know whether the correct answer was like in line with the workshop or in addition to the workshop. So in addition to the workshop, he also started business or something like that was there. So do let me know if you remember the answer for this. And so overall this English section was easy. Okay, but I took time while reading the passage because I don't know why. Even though passage was not that difficult, but I still um, gave a lot of time in reading the passage because like um, the examiner came in the middle. The invigilator came in the middle and asked me to sir to give my thumb impression. So it took some of my time because I got panicked there because I was reading the RC and I was in the middle of the RC. But after he came, it took me. I wasted some of the seconds. Okay, so actually I really got irritated there because I was the only person to give the thumb at that time, that too in middle of the exam. So then coming to the point section, so some questions I remember, so that's why I have written. This is age based question, like A and B, age are in the ratio 4:3. This is before 2 years, okay, and the age after 1 year. I mean 1 year ends, and the percentage of A, the ratio will be 5:4. Then we have to find the percentage of I don't know whether they asked it for A or B. Actually I tried this, but I don't know, I didn't get the answer for this, even though it is very easy question. I don't know, every time this happens with me while solving the exam. So I remember this question only because I read this question more than twice actually. Don't know where I made mistake. Okay, so next question was like the cost price of the article was 4,500 and he marked up by 60 percentage. Then the profit earned by him was 2,500, and the x is the discount offered by him. So we have to find the value for x plus 400. So here what I did was like I was calculating the value of x as the profit percentage. So that's why I was not getting the answer. So they only asked I think discount value, but here I was calculating the discount percentage. That's why I think I didn't get the answer. So I wasted a lot of time here because I was like, this is the easiest question. Why I'm not able to solve? So I took it on my ego. That's why I was not able to solve this. And one question was like, A and B invested in the ratio 2:3, and okay, this is the ratio. After 6 months, A reduced his investment by 40 percentage. Then the total profit in the year was 2,300. So find the profit share of A. I think I got the answer. That is 800, I guess. But I don't know after I was coming across each question in the end. So I was left with 3 seconds, and I saw that I didn't mark the answer for this, but I was not able to mark this one also. Okay, so next was there were I think 10 questions were on simplification. So it was like a bit lengthy but not difficult. Then there was no number series in this section, and there were two DIs. One was on line graph and it comprised of 5 questions, so it was very easy. And another DI was tabular DI, so that was having the columns for the games, that is cricket, hockey, and one more game was there. Currently, I don't remember it, but these 5 questions were also easy, doable. Okay, and there were three caselet questions. I guess it is caselet. I don't know whether it was data sufficiency or the caselet, but I didn't solve this. That's why I don't remember this. And one more question was like a speed distance. The bus travels 240 kilometer in 8 I don't know how many hours, and the time taken by the bus and car are in the ratio of 3:2. The car covers 360 distance in 10 hours. So find the distance traveled by the car. Maybe I'm not correct here while writing the data, but the question was exact like this, I guess. If I made any mistake while framing the question here, do let me know in the comment section. So what was the question and what was the answer for this? So that's it with the quant section because I only remember this much questions. My quant went really bad. Okay, then coming to the reasoning section. So one question was like miscellaneous alphanumeric series. I mean, like this, it was following some pattern like B plus 1 D. Then so I don't know how to tell you the pattern, but there was question like this, and this is not the answer. I have written here just to tell the pattern. Okay, then 3 to 4 questions were on silox and meaningful word for the blockbuster. I think a third, sixth, 10th, and 11th letter we have to form. So I got bore and roof, but still I didn't mark it. Okay, I could have marked it, but I didn't mark it even after getting the two new words. Then the forward backward I got it as only one. Then direction says there were 3 questions. I think one answer was like northwest, and one was we have to find the odd one out, and all were no, northeast direction. One was following the southwest direction, I guess. Mm, okay. Then one answer I got as three, and I'm not sure what was the answer here I got. But I marked the correct one only. So now I felt like one answer was like northwest. That's why I have marked here. Okay, and one more was like uncertain number of people. 15 people were there. So this J was at the end. Okay, and I think they asked the people between G and M. So like that. But 15 people were there. So do confirm in the comment section whether this one was correct or not. So then it was a stack based puzzle. Okay, so this is a sequence. I don't remember the questions. Okay, but they are stack based. I got the sequence as B H F C A G D E, and one was like D F E C G. I don't know what was there here. A and H. Okay, and there were 8 members who are sitting in the square base. Okay, so the person sitting at the corner or facing inside, and remaining were facing outside. So I got this one H B E G A D F and C. So do let me know whether this answer is correct or not. And these are the silox and inequalities. Okay, I think this is from silox both follows only two, and this is from the inequalities. So overall in the each section, I think I attempted only 24 questions in the English, and quant I attempted only 20 questions, and in reasoning I attempted 34 questions. I would have attempted 30 all 35 questions, but still I marked only 34. So overall 78 for my attempts, which is not that good, but okay. I got panicked in the quant section, and while starting the English section also I felt a bit panicked. I don't know, even after giving many mails I still have this exam fear, but I don't know. And I don't remember the answer for the passage. If you know, please do let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel for more self-care and analysis like this, and follow Pancakes Park.